G'day folks, welcome to the show. This is the video that I never ever planned to make. So on Saturday I planned to jump on the adventure bike and take you up to the snow. We had a massive dump of snow here over the weekend and I thought how cool it would be. I should have read the day because everything just didn't want to happen for me on the day, but anyway I persevered, and then I ended up losing a pannier off the bike and the low area of the mountain. I want to thank the couple that picked it up and chased me up the mountain with it, and then once they caught up with me I thought, you know what, with everything that's been going on, I'm gonna abort the day. So I turned around and come home, but I'm heading out now to see if I can't find the bracket that fell off that holds the pannier on. So come with me, let's see if we can find that. There'll be some footage from here, some footage of what I took on the day. There will be no snow, it's all melted now, so I can only apologise for that. So grab a bevy, kick back, cross your fingers, wish me luck. Let's go and see if we can't find this bracket that holds the pannier on. Let's go. Just been out for a ride on the Harley, and as I was coming home I couldn't help but notice how much snow was on the mountain, so I've been home and flipped the bikes and I'm going to take you to the snow. Well, that's the plan anyway. So grab a blankie and a bevy and kick back and enjoy the show. Let's go and see if we can find you some white stuff. Let's go. So our mountain today is Mount Barrow, and I don't know whether you can see that, just the tip there. The snow might be a lot higher than what old birdie boy thought it was. Anyway, we'll plod on, see how we go. We haven't had any rain here. Still ain't snow. I don't think we're going to get there. I think I've underestimated how high we need to go. I can tell you it's bloody freezing. Ooh. So we'll sneak up a little bit further, but I'm just thinking it's not going to be the snowfields I was expecting it to be, that's for sure. Hello, how are you? Oh shit! Well, I am missing something then. Oh. Well, thank you, sir.
Let you fix that because I don't know how to.
Okay. Thank you. See ya, thank you. Wow, what an absolute cluster. An absolute fucking failure. We better just check everything after the run we've had today. Oh dear, probably should have stayed in bed, but anyway. So there's the pannier, it's sitting there nice and tight. Should we check that one? I think we should. Got paranoid now. Oh, look at the old hamstrings, a bit of a stretch. Oh, I'm at it. Oh. He's all nice and tight. This is going to be like looking for a needle in a haystack. I'm thinking this is what I'm looking at and for. So, yeah, I'll just keep stopping. I had a sneaking suspicion if it come off up along here. So I'm just having a look at all the options. I've got a couple of hours of daylight left. I'll show you the bracket. I'll put a picture of it in just here, what I'm looking for. Well, hopefully I'll find it and I'll get to show you. Anyway, see how we go. I'll keep looking. So I think I've walked half the mountain and I can't find it. So I'll just keep an eye open. I'm going to walk back to the car now. Well, it doesn't look as though it's going to happen. I'm going to have to give it up as lost. But we'll keep looking up to where we got caught up with. Go from there. Never say never. I think I'm going to have to put my engineering hat back on and make a new one. Ah well, it was worth a try. I'll work something out. Beautiful evening for a walk. It's got to be 6 or 7 degrees Celsius. Start to cool down. Sun's dropping in the sky. It's time. 5 o'clock. I need to get off this road shortly. Walking. I'll be in the dark. Don't mind driving in the dark with the ruse, but I don't think you want to get run over. Anyway, oh, there's a bunny rabbit. All right. I'll put you away. I'm about to get smashed in the sun again, so I will head back to the car. I don't know whether or not you can actually see where the car is from here. I am. I'll turn you around. Down there in the distance. I've got a bit of a jag to get back to it, but that's okay. All right, later. As soon as I didn't get an outro on the bike because we're having camera issues, I guess I'll do it in the car. So thank you all very much for joining us today. I know it was a little bit different, but I thought I'd just take you along to show you that it's not all beer and skittles. These things happen. Shit happens is the term they use, is it not? Anyway, it was happening to me on Saturday. So take a big breath and we fix the issue and get stuck back into it. That's the way we roll. Anyway, thank you so much for watching us. I hope you enjoyed this and we will see you next time. Let's go.